Hey there, in our watch unboxing today, we are going to be doing the BENYAR, actually this watch right here. I did take a peek at it. It is very nice. It's actually made in China, which I wouldn't expect the kind of quality that I got from this. Let's see, description is movement type quartz, keeps time. Let's see, the scratch-proof mineral glass, wristband material, leather, watch case diameter 42 mil, watch case thickness 12 millimeters, and watch band width approximately 22 millimeters. Water resistant to 3 atmospheres, which means you can basically wash dishes with it. Not that great, but again, I wasn't planning on swimming with this one anyway. So again, this is going to be the BENYAR men's watch chronograph fashion sport. Casual brown leather wristwatch. So let's just go ahead and get this officially unboxed. So it does come in a nice case here with the BENYAR logo right there, and I'll just get this. Again, it's all cardboard. Nice feel to it though. That opens up, and you get your little kind of warranty cards, guarantee card. Let's see. I guess instructions. Yep, a little instruction booklet. And you get a nice little cloth, cleaning cloth with the BENYAR logo down there. Anyway, onto the main watch. Get that out of the way. Yeah, it's very well packed. And here it is. Let's hope the camera picks it up. So it has the BENYAR name across that part of the wristband, and then the BENYAR logo right there, if the camera will pick that up. The watch itself, it's a decent thickness, and I do love this is a domed glass, so it gives us an extra kind of depth of field view to it. Very nice. And the chronograph works. Let's see, I believe that's the one that started. Yep, there it goes, top dial whizzing around. It does have a date right in here. Again, let me see if I can get some more light. I don't know if that will work any better, but let's see. Is it going to focus? Not great. Sorry for the blurriness of this. Maybe that's as good as it's going to get. But again, I love the look of this watch. Nothing much on the back. It says BENYAR, and again, not too much else there. Genuine leather printed on the back of the strap here. But again, a nice shade of like a brown suediness to that. And again, let's see, let's put it back to 0. Yep, works perfectly. I have a Timex. Actually, I have 2 Timex Explorers or Expeditions, and unfortunately, when you on the chronographs, when you hit the reset, they never hit straight back to noon. Whereas this one is perfect. So again, let's see if that. Nope, still can't get this camera to focus. So I guess a new camera may be next to my list. Anyway, there's that. And we got the screen up again to show you. I got this on Amazon. There again, that is the actual watch right there. And I don't see if you can see right there. But the price was $26.99, which is just amazing. And I actually had $10 worth of Bing rewards for Amazon, so my final price was $16.99, again for a really nice looking watch. So anyway, 2 thumbs up for this one, definitely. Again, another great buy. I have some expensive watches. I have some watches that hang around the $100 to $150 mark, and then I have a bunch of these cheaper watches. But again, I think this is really a decent buy for even if you pay full price $27. So anyway, that's my little review for this watch. I don't really see the dome glass. Again, I apologize about the, you can see the way the light is kind of bending because of the dome. But anyway, that's about it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you. Have a good one. Bye.